Who doesn't dream of long hair? Experts believe that approximately 50% of women are losing hair faster than ever. On average, your hair grows by about half an inch every month. With the regular use of these 3 ingredients, your hair growth can be boosted by 4 to 5 times the usual rate. Watch the video till the end to get the best homemade recipe that will regrow your hair quickly. Castor oil is becoming a popular remedy for hair loss and a helpful ingredient for hair regrowth. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties to treat scalp infections. Castor oil is rich in antioxidants that help the keratin in hair to make it smoother, stronger, and less frizzy. It nourishes your hair follicles and protects it from infections such as folliculitis. Benefits: boosts faster hair growth, cleans the scalp of toxins that can damage hair and slow growth, reduces split ends and hair breakage. Moisturizes hair and makes it soft, less frizzy, strong, shiny and smooth, prevents dandruff, strengthens hair shaft and adds volume to your hair, promotes a healthy scalp. Egg yolk is rich in vitamins such as vitamins A and E, biotin and folate, that may make hair more resistant to damage and helps in hair growth. The yolk may be especially useful to moisturize dry hair. Applying the egg yolk to your scalp can infuse the root of your hair with vitamins. The new hair will grow out stronger and be less prone to breakage and shedding. Egg yolk hair mask is one of the best ways to prevent hair fall and increase hair growth. Benefits: promote hair growth, improve hair elasticity, curb breakage and hair loss, heal damage, add shine. Honey is an emollient. It retains moisture in your hair and keeping it conditioned. So you will be free from breakage, which is often a cause for slower hair growth. The combination of egg and honey will help combat the problem of dandruff, strengthen the hair follicles and promote the growth of strong and nourished hair. Benefits: cleans the hair follicles by getting rid of impurities, curbing hair fall. It has rich antioxidant properties which prevent damage, keeping your scalp and hair healthy. Prevents scalp infections and soothes issues like dandruff, eczema and psoriasis, stimulates hair regrowth from dormant follicles, strengthens the hair follicles. Homemade hair mask for thick, strong and fast-growing hair. Ingredients: 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and stir them well. Gently apply this homemade mixture onto your scalp and hair roots, then apply the remaining mixture to the rest of your hair. Put a shower cap on to cover all of your hair, leave as it is for 2 to 4 hours. Finally wash and condition your hair as usual. Repeat this hair mask once or twice a week, and in about 2 months you will be amazed at how gorgeous your hair is. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips. Watch our other videos and be healthy for a long time.